We tested Mel Fry original, and we tested commodity soybean oil. So we're looking for the oil polymerization on the back of the fryers. It's just gunk. You can see the buildup in the commodity and not in the Mel Fry. The polymerization or the gunking on the fryer comes off a lot easier with the Mel Fry. The commodity oil, you kind of have to scrape it off, and it's much more labor intense. Okay, so as you can see, the Mel Fry fryer is clean. It's ready to put back into service. And unfortunately, the commodity fryer is still dirty. We're going to have to empty this out and start another batch of fresh chemicals, whereas the Mel Fry fryer, one cleaning, and it's ready to put back in service.